I asked you what you arguing with your wife about?
Sir,
that's none of your business.
And I still ain't going nowhere. And I still ain't going nowhere. And I still ain't going nowhere. Why are you roughing me up? I still ain't going nowhere. Why are you roughing me up? Why are you roughing me up? Stop grabbing me up. Bro, I didn't do nothing. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me? Sir, I'm going to tell you. Why are you hitting me? Put your hand behind your back. Why are you hitting me? Put your hand behind your back. Because you resisted. Because you just resisted. Because you resisted. Ow! Ow! You just put your hand behind your back. You just elbowed me. Put your hand behind your back. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Behind your back. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't. Ow!
On the 27th of June 2025, airport officers were dispatched to a public terminal following multiple reports of a man threatening passengers at a water station. The subject was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct obstruction and making terroristic threats. This analysis examines the legal standards governing each charge and the constitutional issues raised by the encounter.
I was one of the people that he was fussing at. Yeah,
he got in your face?
Yeah. I'm sorry?
He got in your face?
Oh, yes.
What did he say to you?
He was calling me punk ass and some other derogatory names, just literally for asking me if I could use the water fountain.
Okay.
Literally up on my person.
That's him with the white shirt on?
No, it's a light blue, small frame African American man.
African American man? Okay.
With a light blue polo and light washed jeans.
And he told you what again?
Called me a punk ass and some other names.
Did he threaten to punch you or something?
He said you better get off. Like he was closer, like he was up to here on my person, just for asking me to use a water fountain. And he's been in there yelling multiple times.
Okay, and then he said who did he say? He said he punched you in the face or anything? Is what I'm asking.
You see what's going on? That's what I
I mean, my memory is about as good as a goldfish.
No, I'm separate. I just saw it. Okay. I said I was going to call security because he was causing a security.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to pursue charges?
I don't necessarily have time to pursue charges.
Okay, no, then it said, but do you want to pursue charges? Because it's not, you won't miss your flight or anything, I'm just saying, but do you want to pursue charges? Because he said, she heard it in front of the child, right?
Yes.
Okay. And he said he said it loud enough so you and your child can hear it.
I was sitting over here in these chairs and he was over here at the water station. I heard him all the way over here.
Okay. All right.
The biggest concern is like a safety issue. Like it's so confrontational.
Get his ID for me real quick. Okay.
Hey, stop playing with me. You get me? Stop playing me, yo.
Hey, yo.
Real, sir.
Hey, sir.
That shit is unnecessary.
Sir.
You ain't gotta do all that. All you gotta do is just talk to me.
Sir.
What's up?
Get off the phone. Let's go.
In a second.
No, not in a second. No.
I'm gonna call you back, because now the police in my face acting like they big dogs and thinking they control a human being like me. So let me call you back. I'm gonna talk to you later, alright? I'm gonna calm down. I got you. Give me a second. I'm gonna calm down. I got you. I'm gonna call you later, alright? Alright, one time. What's up?
What's going on, sir? What's up? What's going on?
I'm having an argument with my woman.
Okay, well, what about the people out there?
People out where? I'm inside the bathroom.
I'm talking when you was out there before, sir.
Out where? I wasn't yelling out there. I was yelling inside of here. I was inside the bathroom.
Let me get your ID.
You want to acknowledge what I just said?
Yes,
I wasn't yelling out there.
Let me get your ID, sir.
Can you acknowledge what I said?
Yes, sir. Let me get your ID.
I wasn't yelling out there. I was yelling inside the bathroom.
Sir, let me get your ID.
Okay, you get that though?
Yeah, I get it.
All right, respect. Motherfuckers want to be ass dudes and call other men to come handle a man. I don't get that one. These dudes soft as hell.
Okay, so what you arguing with your girl about?
That's none of your business. Do I ask you what you arguing with your wife about?
Sir,
that's none of your business.
And I still ain't going nowhere. And I still ain't going nowhere. Why are you roughing me up? I still ain't going nowhere. Why are you roughing me up? Why are you roughing me up? Stop grabbing me up. Bro, I didn't do nothing. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Why are you hitting me? Hold your hand
behind your back.
Why are you hitting me?
Sir, I'm gonna tell you.
Why are you hitting me?
Put your hand behind your back.
Why are you hitting me?
Put your hand behind your back. Because you resisted. Because you just resisted. Because you resisted.
Ow! Ow! You just
Put your hand behind your
ow! You just
Sir, put your hand
elbowed me.
behind your back.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Behind your
I
back.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't. Ow! I didn't do nothing wrong. Can you guys please stop?
No.
Can you guys please stop?
Put your hand behind your back.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your
I didn't
hands
do
behind
nothing
your
wrong.
back.
I didn't do nothing wrong. 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 Please, please stop.
Get him. Let's go.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't. Why you grab my foot? What the?
You resisting. You were resisting.
I wasn't resisting. You know I wasn't resisting. Just because I'm strong doesn't mean I'm resisting. Just because I'm. Look at me, bro. Look at me in my eyes.
No,
you
you're
know I'm
too.
strong.
You know I'm strong
That's
too.
nothing to do with
strong
you.
too.
It's not a man versus
Don't matter.
man.
It don't
Let
matter.
it go, bro.
You let it go, bro.
I'm a human being like you're a human
go.
being.
Let's go.
I'm not trying to resist you. I'm a human being. I'm not resisting. I just don't want to be bent over like a. Do you get that, bro?
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay.
All right.
This must be your thing for you. You must be gay, bro.
No, let's go.
I'm not gay. Stop bending me over like a gay ass dude. You gay, bro. You got some type of issue. Jesus. This man should have me bent over. You tell me relax.
Because you
have me bent over
resisting.
for 5 minutes straight. What the f? What have you bent you over? For 5 minutes straight. But you not be frustrated. I'm not gay. Oh, man. I've done real man shit in my life.
Okay, no.
What the f? Hey, look, can I say something real quick? Yeah. Okay,
757 basic.
I'm gonna be over. My wallet was in my hand.
We got one black male, 1095.
That's all. That's all. I mean, shit, that's the least of my concern to this point. I just want my credit card that I paid for. Them shoes are only $40. Yes. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Everybody doing the
I
equipment
love
check.
you.
Equipment check.
That's how you can tell that I'm not denying arrest. I'm very vigilant. I know what I'm doing. I just got hit me the f over. Nah, I ain't lying. I promise you, I got glasses. I'm blind as f without them. I promise you. My bad. I ain't trying to be funny. I ain't lying, bro. I promise I wasn't lying. You slapped me with glasses on my face.
Go down here.
That shit crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get charged for this shit.
So right now, your glasses come out this way.
Hey, look. I know ain't nobody behind this. So one black man, whatever, you get charged for this shit.
I know we'll see when you get out here, bro.
Black man, come on, man. This one, man.
I just got here, man, so I don't know what's going on, bro.
You think I'm gonna get charged, bro? I ain't doing nothing wrong, bro.
And I wasn't there, bro.
You think I'm gonna get charged for real? Why can't y'all pull FaceTime? What's up with that part?
I literally just got there, so I don't know what's going on.
Hey, what they make y'all say nothing when y'all arrest somebody originally? Is that like a thing?
Well, it depends who's your arresting officer.
I just want to know if I need to stick my heart in inside my balls or do I got hope?
Couldn't tell you, brother. That's me being honest, man.
Really? For one human being to another?
Yeah, that's I don't know what's going
Y'all
on.
cold. Okay. Y'all cold. Yeah, I'm going to jail.
They have a valid class Delta, -29.
That's crazy, man. I wasn't even doing nothing to y'all. You had to press me like that. And there ain't no harmful, no threat, no nothing. That's it.
I don't take it to
I'm
the
be
truck.
disappointed for real. I did nothing to you. You went and grabbed me for no reason, bro. I didn't do nothing to you.
We gonna talk, man.
I was talking to my girlfriend on the phone and you decided to grab me. Having a bad day, that's all.
I do understand that, man. But
you grabbed me, bro.
No, but you cussed out some punches.
I didn't never go from my feet. I never charged you. I never was physical or
Yep.
aggressive towards you.
partner.
Brother, that's
Yep.
crazy, brother. I'm a black man having a
Here's
bad
the
day.
glasses right there. Here's the glasses.
Okay, but you a black man decided to do this.
And you're a black man. You try to play me. Come on.
I try to play
Because
you.
you got
I
it in
never
my face.
got from my feet. I never was aggressive towards you.
It's on the camera, bro. Everything
But I
recorded.
never was aggressive towards you.
Everything is
You
recorded.
decided to grab me.
All right.
That's
Very good.
crazy,
Go
bro.
ahead. Watch your head, sir,
I'm
please.
glad you earned your paycheck.
Now I earned my paycheck.
I know. That's okay.
Listen,
I'm glad you
ain't nothing
Can I
happened
at least have
about
can I have my glasses? I can't
Yeah,
see without
in your
them. I'm
pocket, in your
blind.
pocket. We got it
I'm
right here.
legally blind. Can
We
I
got
put
right
them on my face? I'm allowed to have them on my face, for real?
Yeah, slide over for a minute.
That's crazy, bro.
Slide over for a
So
minute.
if somebody attack me in jail?
You finna have it on.
Okay, all right.
Slide over a minute.
I got you. Look, I've been responding.
No, I ain't do it.
Look at me in my eyes without shifting.
Oh, yeah.
Look at me in my eyes. You don't do this to me, bro.
Okay,
You know I didn't jump at you.
Huh?
You know I didn't jump at you.
Nope, it ain't. Look here.
So look, you just wanted to because you wanted to. Look at me, brother. Look at my eyes without shifting. Look at me, brother. That's why you keep shifting. You a wild dude. You know that?
Yeah.
You a wild dude. Just know the ancestors got you.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Ancestors and God.
That's right.
At the end of the day, you know what world we live in.
That's right.
I hope you get all that you get. I hope that you get all that you get. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You wild as hell for grabbing me like.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna take lead on this. Okay, I'm gonna take the lead on this. I just need somebody to transport. I feel like A and B. We're gonna charge this guy with disorderly conduct and obstruction. Okay, is what he's gonna get charged with. All right.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I wasn't trying to be a nuisance.
Why are you out of the seatbelt?
I'm sorry. I'll get back in the new seatbelt. I'm sorry.
Go back around to the other side of him.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to be a nuisance. I don't want to go to jail, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just having a bad day. My girlfriend cheated on me. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I didn't know how to accept. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to go. I just want to make my flight. I'm sorry.
Well, that's not gonna happen.
On my mother, I hate you. You're just a shit-filled shit. You know what I mean? I get it. He shouldn't have grabbed you, dog. By all means, you shouldn't have been in that bathroom yelling, stupid, like you just mad. You understand? You black. You can't do that. You dumbass. Now look at your life. Up. It wasn't already up. Huh? God didn't give you a chance, huh? Right? Don't worry about it. You deserve everything that comes to you. If you struggle this much, you might as well give in to that bitch now. You might as well just give that bitch some kids, give her everything she f***ing wants because she got your life now. You can't be yourself, dumbass. God. God. You dumbass. You stupid ass. I hope you get everything. I hope you get everything. And you sweating like shit. You're a dumbass of a because you're stupid. You can't control your emotions. You don't know how to take a breath of pause of air and pause because you're stupid. You're just filled with emotions. You dumb. I look so stupid. I look so stupid, but it's cool. It's okay. You're not the first one. You won't be the last, unfortunately, and I hate that for but it's okay. It's okay. I won't even talk to a I just beat my meat every day. I beat my meat every day. I won't talk to a woman. I won't let a woman get me that upset.
Terroristic threats, a conditional threat of imminent physical harm directed at a private individual in a face-to-face encounter, constitutes a criminal threat under most state statutes. This conduct is not protected by the First Amendment. Under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315, U.S. 5, 68194, two fighting words, directed at a private individual likely to provoke immediate breach of the peace, fall outside First Amendment protection. The pre-arrest witness accounts, if credited, satisfy this standard. Investigatory stop versus probable cause. For arrest Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968, authorizes a brief investigatory stop based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Custodial arrest requires the higher standard of probable cause. A reasonable officer must believe, based on the totality of circumstances, that a crime has been or is being committed. 3 corroborating witness statements describing a specific threat satisfy probable cause for both disorderly conduct and terroristic threats. Fifth Amendment, right to silence. The Fifth Amendment prohibits compelling any person to be a witness against themselves. This protection applies in any investigatory encounter, not only at trial. Under Salinas v. Texas 570 U.S. 1782013, refusal to answer questions beyond required identification cannot constitute obstruction and cannot be used as evidence of guilt. Lesson invoking the right to silence is always constitutionally protected. Use of force. Graham v. Connor analysis. Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 3861989 establishes a three-factor objective reasonableness test for every use of force decision. First, the severity of the crime at issue. Second, whether the subject poses an immediate threat to officers or others. Third, whether the subject is actively resisting or evading arrest. Applied here, the crime is a misdemeanor, no threat to officers was demonstrated, and physical resistance began only after the officer initiated unprefaced contact. Use of force. Sequence matters. Courts examine whether the officer's own conduct immediately preceded the subject's resistance. Under Griggs v. Brewer, 841 F3D 308 5th CIR 2016, a sudden physical seizure without a prior verbal arrest announcement diminishes the active resistance justification. Lesson officers must issue a clear verbal arrest notice before initiating physical contact. Failure to do so weakens the legal basis for escalated force and increases civil liability exposure. Obstruction. Weakest charge. Obstruction statutes require an overt act that knowingly hinders law enforcement in the performance of an official duty. Verbal delay, refusal to end a phone call, or declining to answer questions does not constitute the overt act required. Stahl v. Oklahoma 616p 2D 1362 Okla. Crim. App 1980. Without a clear prior arrest announcement, even physical resistance during handcuffing is legally compromised as an obstruction basis. Section 1983. Civil liability under 42 U.S. C. Section 1983. Any person deprived of constitutional rights under color of state law may bring a federal civil rights action. A fellow officer's on-camera statement acknowledging the arrest initiation was unjustified constitutes direct evidence of an unreasonable seizure under the Fourth Amendment. Qualified immunity under Harlow v. Fitzgerald 457 U.S. 8001982 is unavailable, where the violated right was clearly established at the time of the incident. Lessons from this encounter. 1. Reasonable suspicion authorizes a Terry stop, not a custodial arrest. 2. A verbal arrest announcement before physical contact is legally required and tactically essential. 3. Silence and refusal to answer are rights, not obstruction. 4. Profanity directed at officers is protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill 482 U.S. 4511987. 5. Deliberate indifference to a detainee's known physical disability, including removal of corrective lenses, creates independent 14th Amendment liability under Estelle v. Gamble 429 U.S. 972 976